In this video, I am going to show you best CPA or affiliate networks for beginners in 2019. If you have just started your journey from CPA marketing and you do not know which affiliate network to start your journey, then this is the video for you. I have seen a lot of people who have just started their journey from CPA marketing. They just move to the Max Bounty and payfly.com and apply for the account. So after some time they received a mail, they got rejected. So definitely those are the networks are the most popular among people and beginners, but keep in mind that both of those networks require some prior experience in CPA marketing. So if you have just received your 1 or 2 commissions from other networks, then definitely you can apply for Max Bounty and Payfly account. I recommend you to first work on those beginners networks that I am going to show you in this video, and later on, once you receive your few checkouts, then you can apply for Max Bounty and Payfly. But before going to show you those beginners networks, if you do not know about my channel, then here I am showing you all the money making tips, digital marketing concept, and how to become an entrepreneur and leave your 9-to-5 job. If you wanted to get similar types of videos, consider subscribing to my channel. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. For earning a full-time income from home using my most recommended system, I have already placed that link in the description box below. You can start your journey from today. So let's move to our first network, that is known as CPA Lead. Its address is cpalead.com. You can see that this is one of the highly trusted network out there for the beginners, and it has been recognized by Incorporation 500, recognized by Network Product Guide. How you can part of this network? Just click on the sign up button and be joined as a publisher, and after some time you get approved from this network. If you want to see the stats of this network, I will take you to a website that is known as fpaying.com. If you search for CPA Lead, and you can see that this network has a rating of 4.93 out of 5. So it is highly good rating in fpaying.com. And with respect to offers, it has 4.9. With respect to payout, it has 4.9 ratings, tracking 4.9, sport 4.88. Highly good rating, number of offers over 2000 plus, commission type, cost per action, cost per lead, content locking, minimum payout $50. It is quite low. So as soon as you hit the $50 mark, you can ask for the payout. Payment frequency, net 30, net 50, weekly, early payment upon request. Payment method, there are a lot of payment options available: check, PayPal, Wire, Pioneer, direct deposits. You can also earn 5% referral commission. And now look at the people reviews. 5 out of 5, 4 out of 5, 5 out of 5, 5 out of 5, 5 out of 5. So a lot of people are giving this network 5 out of 5 reviews. So this means that those people are pretty happy with this network, and it is one of the trusted network out there. I highly recommend you to be part of this network, and you can start making money after promoting their offers. Now let's move to our second network, that is cpagrip.com. Just click on join now and be joined now as a publisher. You can create your account for free. And now let's look at the stats of this CPA Grip network. Now move to the fpaying.com and search for CPA Grip. You can see that this network has an overall rating of 4.9, pretty handsome. 4.89 with respect to offers, payout 4.92, tracking 4.92, sport 4.89, over 2000 plus offers. There are a lot of offers in the cost per action, cost per lead, cost per sale category. $50 minimum payout, quite low, again good. Payment frequency, you can see that it offers weekly, bi-weekly, net 7, net 15, net 13. There are a lot of payment options, 5% referral commission. And let's look at the people's review. This is very lucrative website for CPA marketers. 5 out of 5, 5 out of 5, 5 out of 5, 5 out of 5. So people are pretty happy from this network, and I highly recommend you to be part of this network. Now let's move to our third network, that is adworkmedia.com. You can join this network for free. Click on quick sign up guide as a publisher. Now let's move to the stats. Again, move to the fpaying.com and search for adworkmedia. This network has a rating of 4.97 and offers 4.95, payout 4.98, tracking 4.97, sport 4.97. Nearly 1800 offers. There are a lot of different types of offers. $30 minimum payout, so it is more better than the previous 2 networks. Weekly commission, bi-weekly, net 7, net 15, net 30. different types of payment processor, 3% lifetime earnings, and you can read about the people's review. 5 out of 5, 5 out of 5, 5 out of 5. So again, very popular network for the people, and I highly recommend you to join this network. And once you received your payout from these networks, you can just move to the Max Bounty or peerfly.com, because a lot of people think that Max Bounty and the Peerfly networks are the main in CPA marketing, but keep in mind that there are a lot of other popular networks out there. But if you wanted to join Max Bounty and Peerfly, I recommend you to get your paychecks from those starter networks and then apply for Max Bounty and Peerfly. You can also be part of ClickBank. It is free. Just click on create your account, and once you click and create your account, just provide the relevant information and you can join this network for free. Keep in mind that ClickBank has a CPS network, cost per sale. So you need to make a sale in order to earn commission on ClickBank. Just provide your personal banking and account information, and once you're completed with this, your account will be created and you will find tons of affiliate offers on clickbank.com. So anyone, you can also show your ClickBank stats to Max Bounty manager or Peerfly manager. I have also created my account on Max Bounty by showing my experience with the ClickBank, so you can also create your account. I hope this is the video that will really help you out in making or taking a start in the CPA marketing journey. If you have any question in your mind, please ask me in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you.